Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a video today that discusses EEPROMs for Samsung UN56D6003 or 55D6003. They use the same board. That is the board, and it has several different port numbers. One of them is BN94-06429C. Can be 29A, 29B, a couple of other ones. And I'm going to be talking about the EEPROM that goes better on those boards. And as you can see on that particular board, we have a socket which we sell for people who want to put a socket in and test the EEPROMs that they buy from us or from elsewhere. More on that in a second. First things first, this TV will actually power on and work. It's currently off. As you can see, the LED indicator here. You can power it on, and it will power on and start and even show the menu. Hold on, I believe I powered it off by mistake again. So it's gonna show that there is nothing, and if I get a remote, a second there, there's a remote. I believe I can pull the menu, there you go. Okay, I was not able to pull the menu. Put in place, maybe it's again off. Okay, it powers on, but it shuts off without that EEPROM. And it can actually stay on. I've seen it stay on. Yeah, there you go. This is the menu. Maybe it's going to shut off in a second. The one thing that you definitely cannot do is bring the apps, the smart apps that you call with a smart hub button on the remote. If you try to do that, sometimes it will just flash real quick up there in the top right corner, but it's not going to start them. And it's not going to start them because it needs the package file that is in this EEPROM. Now, this is the EEPROM that you buy from us, the main EEPROM for this TV. The one that contains the firmware is a BGA, not that one. Okay, not that one, not this one. So this is where the firmware with the system partition of the Linux version that Samsung uses is stored. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put that EEPROM, which we're about to send to a customer, but every EEPROM that we sell goes through these procedures, and I'm just making sure I'm aligning it properly with the first pin bottom right. And excuse me for the poor video quality, but this is not meant to be pigeon contest. So plugging that in, TV starting up. And start. There we go. Okay, and now if I press the button, I have the starting here. It's going to rotate and rotate and rotate and rotate until we see the hub. This is how you know you have a proper EEPROM. It's still starting. And now this is the hub. So yeah, and it wants to upgrade and everything. If you want to go through that, go through that. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because it will want the wireless dongle and connection to wireless, etc, etc, etc. Instead, I'm going to disconnect it again, open that, take out the EEPROM, and just show you this is a brand new EEPROM. We don't mark them, but let's see if I can really well zoom here. Clean legs, not used. If you want to use some of the EEPROMs that you buy from us, try them, see whether they work, and then return them if they don't work for you. Use a socket. This way we will never know whether you use that EEPROM. When it doesn't work for you because there's another problem on the board, you can return it, we can resell it, and people will be happy to get a brand new EEPROM, even though it may have been returned. But if you solder that on the board and then take it out, and then we have to sell it, first you can damage it while soldering. Second, you will never clean it as well as for someone to be 100% certain this is brand new. And the responsibility for dealing with the next customer will lay on us, not on you. So we do not take, this is why you're going to receive that in a package that says test it on a socket or void your right to return. And that is all. You can see that it is functional. Again, every single one that we sell, whether you believe it or not, we have other videos that show the same thing for other EEPROMs. They go through a test on a socket like this. That is all. Best of luck in your repairs.